Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front outside door handle on this 2003 GMC Sonoma. This is pretty much the same for any 98 to 04 GMC Sonoma or S15 pickup. Tools you'll need are flat blade screwdrivers, both regular and small size, Phillips screwdriver, a door panel clip tool or putty knife, 10mm socket with a ratchet extension, and a flashlight will help as well.
Start by grabbing the front of your switch plate, kind of push back and pull up. Okay, it should come out. You want to use a screwdriver. On this one there's a tab right here you push. Okay, this gray one, probably put your screwdriver right down in here and pry out. Here there's a tab, and then here there's a tab.
We'll speed up here as I disconnect those connections. On the middle one, I believe I did have to use two screwdrivers. I used one to kind of hold the little locking tab and the other one to pry up on the connector to pull it off.
Right in behind your door handle, there's a Phillips screw. Remove that. And then this bezel pulls out and unclips. And bring it off the door handle. Okay, up underneath there's two 7mm bolts underneath your door pull. One there, and then one right up in there.
Okay, and we'll speed up as I remove those two bolts.
If you have a door panel clip tool, use that, or actually a household putty knife works just as well. Put the tool in the bottom, between the door and the door panel, slide it, find a clip, pull it. If your panel's been apart before, they'll come off pretty easy. Okay, and there is one right up here as well. And the door panel comes off.
You want to pull back your water shield to give you access to the inside of the door.
Okay, flat blade screwdriver. It's just a little plug here. Remove that. Remove two 10mm bolts here. Okay, now you want to reach inside and grab hold of this track here and pull it down. And it's just important to note how it goes in. Okay, so you can see as I pull it down, it comes off right there. Just lay it down right there for now. Okay, now we're going to want to unclip our lock rod. And actually you can see it, I can't really film it through here, but you can see it pretty well through this hole. But there's the lock rod, reach in my hand. I'm sure you can't see much of that, but pull the clip off, and then pull the rod off. Now there's a 10mm bolt right through there. And one through there as well, a little harder to see behind that rod.
Speed it up as I remove those two bolts. I use a 10mm socket with an extension and a ratchet. Undo the bolts and then just kind of try and pull them right out while they're still in the socket.
Okay, I pull it out. Kind of pull it, twist it down. That came out. Shouldn't have come up quite that easy. This little clip comes off. should be clipped right into there.
You'll find when you go to pull your handle out that that rod will still be connected, so you just need to remove the clip and disconnect the rod.
Okay, you'll want to get your lock out of your old handle. Just press on this tab here and push it out. Okay, new handle from One Auto, exact same as the old one. I've got the little felt washer from the old handle. Just gonna push that right down into place here. Okay, take my lock and push it into place. Okay. Put this rod on. Okay. Flip this clip down to hold it in place. Kind of push it down in. And the window is right back in there, so you got to kind of get it around the window. Get the lock in. Place. I generally kind of push it in place and then make sure I get this bolt started by hand here. Okay, then take this one, put it into your socket, hold the handle in place in. Usually hit it pretty easily. And tighten these up nice and firm.
Speed it up here as we just finish threading those in and then tightening them up with our socket, ratchet, and extension.
Okay. We're going to look back up in there. Grab our lock rod. Put it back in place. Okay, now we want to take this window track. What you want to do is look right up in there. Okay. Get your window track basically past the door handle. And then in behind the window. I'm just kind of looking right there at the track. I can see it. I can see it go up and into place. Push it right in. Once you push it right in, you should be able to see this hole right here lined up nicely. Start that bolt. Then start this bolt.
Okay, and I'm going to speed up as I get those bolts in, tighten them up, and then put the water shield back in place and ready for a test on the new door handle. Okay, make sure the door's unlocked first.
Install your door handle. Just kind of get it in place. Make sure all your wires are through. Bring it up here and push the top.
You want to push the top against the window and then down onto the door.
Push the top one down. Okay, Okay, you might have to just kind of move it around a little bit, make sure the pins go in. On, force the back in first, snaps in there. Okay, put this back in place. Let's take our 7mm bolts and we'll look them right up in there. Plug everything back in. Again, the back kind of locks in first, and the front goes down in.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.